Today I thought I'd do a what we eat in a day video. So this is what we eat in a day in March, because obviously it changes depending on the season, because we try to eat as much as possible from the garden. So today I'll show you what we eat in a day in March. Breakfast. So for I keep getting distracted by people walking past outside. Okay, so for breakfast, me and Carla have very different breakfasts. I tend to go for the healthier breakfast, he tends to go for the Italian child's breakfast. So what I do in the morning is I get myself a bowl, I take some muesli, I've got everything up here so it's handy. I sprinkle on some chia seeds, almonds, I take about 5 or 6 of those, pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Mix it all up in a bowl. I normally have rice milk or rice and almond milk or rice and coconut milk, and then a nice big cup of English tea. Sometimes I'll just have almond butter and banana on toast, but I'm trying to cut down on the bread at the moment, trying to get that bikini body ready for summer. And yes, this one here is full of dog treats. So Carlo, on the other hand, for breakfast likes to have a big bowl of soya milk warmed up in the microwave, and then he grabs some French toast or cake or biscuits or cereal, whatever he can find, and he dunks it all in it and then eats it like that. Give me some time. To get strong. We've got a huge bonfire to burn. Obviously not going to burn it in one go because we could be set fire to the whole surrounding area. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. We are now going to put the fire out because the housewives up higher in the mountain are complaining that their washing hanging out is getting covered in smoke. So we're just going to put the fire out. It's 11 now. It's really noisy outside. They're doing all sorts of work, so I can't really film out there. Anyway, I've got some oranges off the tree, and they're really nice and sweet at the moment because it's March, so it's late in the season. And every day I juice a couple of oranges and half a lemon and have that as a little midday snack. I normally add a cap full of apple cider vinegar because it's supposed to be good for you. Don't know if that actually does anything, but that's what I've been doing for the last week or so anyway. We've got quite a bit of spinach left in the greenhouse, and it definitely needs to be picked because these leaves are getting very big. We've also got these beautiful lettuces that I think are ready to eat, so I'm gonna grab 1 or 2 of them. Are you coming? No. I'm gonna pick a couple of fennels. Actually, I might have some in the fridge, so I'll check first. For lunch, I'm gonna do some rice with some black rice with wiggly animals. It's an earwig. Get off my spinach. I'm going to do some black rice with spinach and tuna. Let me introduce you to my larder. Actually, a lot of stuff in here is has been brought over from England, especially in December when we drove over with the car. You can see my little English section here. All the things that you can't get in Italy. Anyway, what did I come in here for? So easily distracted. So I wanted an onion. A friend of mine who I haven't seen for a couple of years, she's up in Montepatuso and she just wondered if I was home, so she's coming down for a visit, which will be nice because I haven't seen her for ages. Doing everything highly out of order today. I'm going to make an orange and fennel salad too, as it looks like we might have 1 extra for lunch now. It's getting messier and messier here, so what we're going to do is mix 3 cereals with some black rice. Let's get these out of the way. We're going to do a fennel and orange salad. And the rice we're going to do with spinach and fresh cherry tomatoes. Yeah. Right, so we've got a fennel and orange salad here. This is basically 2 fennels chopped up, a couple of oranges sliced up, mixed with some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a bit of salt and pepper. Actually, nobody goes out from there. Basically put some black rice mixed in with the 3 cereals, and I have cooked some cherry tomatoes, some spinach and some olives with some onion, and that's going to be lunch.
Questa da una parte mi ha fatto felice perché non mi ha creato il problema di dire che buono.
Questa Stella. Stella. Go get her.
When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my
Afternoon snack. A little bit of chocolate. And I might have a couple of these. Time to take these two out for a walk. Come on, kitty. So Carla's just said that tomorrow they're planning on doing a barbecue in the garden. So tomorrow would have been a nice day to make this video.
when the stars are aligned, we will dance.
Come on, animals.
Meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming.
It is 6:30 and I am hungry. I'm gonna grab some rosemary.
Where are you now? I hope you're fine, but I won't lie. Cause I miss you.
And while I'm cooking, I always have a cracker with a big wedge of brie on it. Just one. He's mine. He's mine. Yeah.
Had to go.
2 plates full of roasted vegetables, and I'm going to stick some fried egg on top of each one.
In the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming.
I've left Carlo out there, it's raining outside, so he can deal with that. After dinner, I always want something sweet, so I'm going to make some nice cream. 1 frozen banana, a couple of teaspoons of cocoa powder, a spoonful of almond butter, a splash of rice milk, just to help it blend. And there you have healthy chocolate ice cream. Yum yum. I'm just gonna sit here and eat this. Just came out to see what Carla's doing. Look at this.